secured credit. This is where before you are given the money, the lender requires you to provide some form of collateral. This gives the lender a fallback plan. Just in case you are unable to pay, then they have some form of recourse. They have an option. Various types of securities will be admissible in this category. For example, some lenders would ask for legal charge over property. This is where if you have a piece of land, they will ask you to bring the title deed or the lease certificate, and then the bank or the lender gets to officially register their interests on that piece of land. That if the piece of land were to be sold, then the interests of the bank would be given first priority. Then you can also use collateral in the form of chattel's mortgage over household goods, over motor vehicles and machinery. Ordinarily, we would talk about a logbook loan, and we say the loan is secured by a logbook. But officially, what is done is that a chattel's mortgage is taken over the logbook. This is where the lender gets to register their interests over that logbook, over that asset in the logbook. And if you are to check, some lenders will require that the logbook is registered in both your name and the lender's name, or in other countries and in other dispensations, the logbook has an opportunity for the lender to indicate that there is a charge on this particular logbook. There can also be security in the form of lien over shares. This is where you have shares in certain companies amounting to, say, 1 million shillings. Then you want to borrow against the shares that you have in a particular company. And therefore, the lender will take lien over the shares. In other words, the lender marks their interest on the shares that you have. In the event that you default, then the interest of the lender over the shares that you have takes precedence. They can be able then to have the shares sold to be able to recover the money that they gave you. Then there can be hypothecation over business stock. This is where business people are allowed to borrow against the stock that they have in their business. So the stock becomes their security. In the event of default, the lender can also come and liquidate stock and recover their money. Then there can also be guarantees. This can be personal guarantors, where you borrow money and you have a few of your friends who can guarantee you. This is very common in the SACCO world, where you borrow and then as you borrow, you are allowed to bring other people to guarantee you. They step in to say, if this person defaults, we will take care of the debt.